Hey guys, I've been printing parts for over a year now and I wanted to show you one of my tricks for printing external threads. Internal threads normally print just fine when their axis is printed perpendicular to the bed, but this is not the case for external threads. When external thread's axis is printed perpendicular to the bed, it causes the adhered layers to be in like the weakest direction when torque is applied to the part. So the trick here is to print the external thread's axis parallel to the bed of the printer. This way, the layers of the printer are set up so that the strongest direction is set up for torque. Essentially, more of the adhered layer's surface area is being used to handle the torque being applied. So, we'll be using Fusion 360 to make a model of this part, then get it printed with Cura. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is probably make an extrusion. So, let's go here, grab a circle, see like 18 millimeters. Extrude it out. Then we're going to want to create our threads on here. Let's see here. Modeled, full length. Pay attention to the class type too. That's just the fit of your threads, and it'll actually like if you give it a looser fit, most likely it's gonna fit with any like other printed threads you use it as, depending on the accuracy of your printer. But we'll just stick with 6G here. Hit OK. So here's the trick that I'm making this video about. So, pull up a center rectangle. Get a circle going. You're going to want to make an extruded cut. Let's see here. Bugging out on me. Let's reverse the direction. Yeah, let's see this whole area. Hit OK. Alright. So what we've done here is we've made our threads so that now we can print it flat on the print bed. This is important so you get the strongest strength out of your part. Alright, so we're just going to save the body. Okay, yeah, save as STL, binary, refinement high. Alright, then just save it as whatever. Alright, so let's get this thing opened up in Cura. Alright, so we have our model opened up in Cura, and this is normally like the conventional way that I see some people printing their threaded parts, that it's layered basically perpendicular with the print bed here. So layers will be going parallel with the print bed. What we want to do to get the greatest strength out of it is to rotate the part. Basically rotate this thread axis parallel to the print bed. Alright, so I don't know, use whatever settings you want, play around, toy with them, see what results you get. Normally I try and put like a higher infill density on here, put like 50% and stuff, and right, so I'll show you guys some parts that I made. Alright, here's two of the parts I printed. This one was the one that was printed parallel to the print bed. Here's the one that was printed perpendicular to it. So you can see I already broke this one in one spot. Let's see if I can break it again. Oh, yep, there it goes. Just snapped right in half from just bending force. This one, on the other hand, it's a little bit more strong. It's actually a lot more stronger. And that's probably to do with the size too, of course, but this one, giving it most of the hand, like all my hand force practically. I can't seem to break it. Even just pulling on the threads. So using this one like method that I showed you, you can actually produce some like superiorly strong threads with 3D printed parts. Might not be for every application, but hopefully this helps somebody out in some way. Alright. Happy printing. Happy printing.